In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Cash App Boost on Doordash. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using your Cash App Boost to get a discount on any Doordash orders that you place is extremely simple. You will be able to reproduce this on the latest version of Cash App as long as you are eligible to use the Cash App card. Open the app and switch over to the Card tab. In there is where you can manage all of your boosts. So if you still have the boost option available, all that you have to do is tap on boost and see if Doordash is listed as one of the available boosts for your Cash App card. Immediately upon selecting Doordash from the list, you will get more information regarding the amount that you got off each order on Doordash. You can see the time in which it is going to be expiring and the minimum and maximum purchase amount and discount. As long as you tap Add Boost at the bottom, this boost is going to be automatically added to your Cash App card. Now, if you use the Cash App card in the future for any orders that you place on Doordash, this discount is going to be automatically applied. So double check to see if the boost was activated, switch over to the Doordash mobile app and start placing your order. Like I said, you have to use this Cash App card during checkout, and as long as you do, the bonus will be instantly applied. You will be able to manage this payment through Cash App itself or the Doordash app, and you will get a notification telling you that the boost was instantly and automatically applied. You can repeat the steps if you have multiple boosts, and all of them should be applied automatically, not only for Doordash but any other place where you got a boost to use from your Cash App card. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Cash App Boost on Doordash. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.